Publishing is how a report leaves desktop and becomes accessible to the rest of the organization. This lesson walks through the publishing workflow and what happens behind the scenes. What publishing actually does. Clicking Home Publish in Desktop uploads two things to the chosen workspace in Power BI service. The dataset, your data model with relationships, measures, and the data itself. The report, the pages and visuals that read from that dataset. Once published, both live in the cloud and can be accessed via browser or mobile app. Choosing a workspace. You'll be asked which workspace to publish to. My Workspace Personal, not for collaboration. A shared workspace, created in the service, the right choice for team or production reports. If the workspace doesn't exist, create it in the service first. Workspace deployment. A typical organization uses 3 workspaces per business area. DEV, where developers iterate. Test. UAT, for stakeholders to review. Prod, what end users see. Lockdown. Reports are promoted from Dev Test Prod using deployment pipelines, a premium feature, or manually by republishing. Cloud access. Once published, users access reports via direct link to the service, app.powerbi.com. Embedded in Microsoft Teams as a tab. Embedded in SharePoint or another portal via the embed code. A Power BI app, a polished app-like package of selected content. After publishing, configure scheduled refresh. Module 7. Lesson 4. Set row-level security roles. Module 7. Lesson 3. Configure sharing permissions at workspace or item level. Try this. Publish a report to Power BI service. Build any small report in desktop. Click Home Publish and choose a workspace, or My Workspace for practice. Open the workspace in the service and notice both the report and the dataset appear. Open the report in the browser and verify the visuals work. Click File, generate a QR code, and try opening the report via the Power BI mobile app.